We have to write the difference between 7 and 3 over 8 and 3.87 in decimal form. So to do this, we need to have decimal numbers. We have 3.87 and we have mixed number. So we need to change mixed number to full decimal form. How we do this? At the beginning, we will forget about 7 because 7 is whole number, and we will change 3 over 8 to the decimal number. We need to do long division because fraction bar means division. So we have to divide 3 by 8. How we do this? Because we cannot divide 3 by 8, 3 is less than 8, and 3 is whole number, so after 3 we have decimal point. We need to add some zeros because we cannot divide 3 by 8. Let's add, for example, 3 zeros. And now, one more time. 3 we cannot divide by 8. So on the top we have to write 0. And we copy decimal point exactly in the same column. And next we will have to do multiplication. 0 times 8 is 0. So next we have to do subtraction. We have 3 minus 0 is 3. We have to take down next 0, and we forgot about this decimal point. This decimal point is going to the top. And now we have 30 divided by 8. Is how many times we can put 8 to 30? 3 times. 3 times 8 give me 24. Next we have to again do subtraction. 30 minus 24 is 6. And again we take down next 0. 60 divided by 8 is 7. We can 7 times put 8 to 60 only. 7 times 8 is 56. Again we have to do subtraction. 60 minus 56 is 4. And we take next 0. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. So we finish long division. And now we can rewrite that 3 over 8, this is equal whatever we have on the top, 0.375. But at the beginning we have 7 before 3 and over 8 fraction. So we can write that 3 over 8 mixed number is equal. We change to decimal form. Whole number is 7, decimal point we copy, and the rest which we get from 3 over 8 division. So this is 375. We change mixed number to decimal number. So now we can find the difference between 7 and 3 over 8 and 3.87. So on the top will be 7.375. From this number we have to subtract 3.87. When we subtract decimal numbers, we have to write them in vertical columns aligning decimal points. So we have to keep them in the same column. And next we have 3 decimal places in the first number, in the second we have 2. So we add at the end 1 0. So we have 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places, and now we can do subtraction. How we do subtraction of decimal numbers? The same like we do subtraction of whole numbers. So first, before we start subtraction, it's good to check if we have on the top number greater than on the bottom. 5 is greater than 5, so 0, so it's okay. 7 minus 7 we can do, and we have 3 minus 8. 3 is less than 8. So we will borrow 1 from 7. 7 minus 1 will be 6, and now we have here 13. So now we can do subtraction. We start from the last column and we are going to the left. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 7 is 0. 13 minus 8 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3, and we have to keep decimal point in the same column. So we found the difference between mixed number and decimal number. This is 3.505. This is my solution.